Well, Lockie, this is really interesting. The Australian Terrier is a small dog once used to guard mines and tend sheep in Australia. But people now in Australia use the Australian Terrier primarily as a loved pet of the family. And that's the end of A of the encyclopedia. Wonderful. Lockie, Lockie, he's asleep. We better wake him up. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Lockie.
Oh, sorry, Anthony. Thanks for waking me up, everybody. Anthony, this is the third time we've read A of the encyclopedia, and I've loved learning about Aztecs and aviation and astronomy and
Australian Terrier.
the Australian Terrier, but you know what? I am itching to go outside on an adventure.
Lockie, did you say you're itching to go outside for an adventure?
Yes.
Hat goes on because I'm going to ask you a question. Have you ever been camping?
No.
Well, nothing beats the great outdoors. I've been on some unforgettable camping trips in my time. Sleeping out under the stars. Sound effect, please, Lockie. The crickets chirping.
Chirp, chirp.
The mosquitoes buzzing. Absolute bliss.
Wow. You know, I've never been on a trip like that before, but I've always dreamt on going on a big camping adventure like that.
Well, you don't have to go far to have a fun camping adventure. In fact, have a camping adventure in the yard. In the yard right in front of the Wiggle House. I've got quite a lot of camping experience. I can show you how it's done, Lockie. Oh,
Really? We can camp right out there in front of Wiggle House? What will we do?
we'll do all sorts of fun activities. Of course, we'll have our hats on because we're outdoors. The fun activities like pitching a tent. Good. Fishing. Bring it back. Release, catch and release. Beautiful. And of course, we'll have sing-alongs, your favourite camping sing-along song. Of course, yes, eating the old marshmallow song.
Marshmallow, mellow mush.
Most importantly, we'll have fun together. Let's go, Lockie.
Let's do it.